the public has for a long time, had a deep concern and worry that these this stemming the tide of this illicit drug flow is always a very, very difficult business. And so the public has been worried for quite some time about whether it's
Sure.
actually possible. And
Mm,
there's a great investment in it now because the crisis is not just staying on, it's actually worsening.
mhm.
And so there's, a great deal of hope that we're going to be successful in some of these operations. And so when at the 11th hour, victory is defeat is snatched from the jaws of victory like this, everybody is upset. And the fact of the matter is there's a great deal of resources that go into the investigation of these kinds of cases. So it takes a long time to get an effective case together. So this will mean starting from ground zero again. And these were three of what are heralded as the top kingpins
Right.
in terms of this issue. And so it's a really bad defeat, I think, a really devastating defeat for rank and file police officers across the province who are working really hard on this issue.
How are we doing? Do we know how we're doing when it comes to enforcement and prosecution on
Yeah.
that side of things of this crisis?
I was going to say, I think there are a variety of different measures. On the prevention front, I think we're doing better. I think our messaging and our education is out there. But on the interdiction and enforcement and securing convictions, I think we're constantly challenged. And the fact is that organized crime is becoming more savvy. It's evolving. We're talking about something we call polycriminality now, where they're involved in a variety of different fronts. They're involved in human trafficking as well as illicit drug smuggling, all of that kind of stuff.
Hmm.
And so it's getting more and more challenging.